Who is the greatest?
Khadija Shah. People, I don't even want to. I don't think it is disputable that Khadija Shah is the greatest reggae girl/boy of all time. At this point, how can you dispute it? She's going to play the World Cup, or best player, captain. She scores more goals than she plays in games. She was absolutely outstanding in this competition. She was a true leader, and she put the team on her back to the extent that Theodore Whitmore never ever did. And Khadija Shah has been the best player on 2 World Cup teams. And this time she had the out and out best player, probably the best player in the zone, to be fair. And she put the team on her back and she carried them to World Cup, leading all the way. Not to mention the ridiculous stats, not to mention how she destroyed one of the top competitions in the world, which is the French League. Especially after securing this World Cup qualification. There's any debate as to who is the greatest.
I hear you, you don't.
What more can what more?
We just literally
I guess she has to qualify for another World
In the live chat, who is the greatest Jamaican footballer of all time?
Khadija Shah.
We need the answer. It's Inside That Sports TV.
And Khadija Shah is the greatest reggae person of all time.
Out.